Okay, another KENKEN 9 by 9, all ops, 1 9's all we can put in there. Here we've got 1, 2, 4, 8. Here we've got a 6. And if we look at the options here, we've got 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. We can't have a 4 there. Okay, you might guess this is my second recording. I did something wrong in the last one. And there we go. I'd like to only limit things to 4 possibilities. So if I can put a cell with just 4 possibilities, I'm happy to fill that in. Along here, we've got 6, 7, 9. This is 1, 2, 4, 5, but we can't have a 2 there on that corner, if you like. Here we've got 2, 3, 4, 6, the only possibilities. And if we look at the 3 cells to the left of that, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, which leaves us here with 5, 7, 8, 9. Now straight away, I know they can't be 5s, and that both of these cells can be 2, 3, or 4. Anything else I can dismiss from there? We know there's no 9 here, so this would be 5, 7, 4. Now, because we've got this 30 times, we can't have a 5 in that position. So we can get rid of that, and get rid of that. What else have we got? This 8 times is 1, 2, 4, 8. Not well. Here we've got 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, with that 6 plus. If we make that a 2, we lose that 4. And in fact, we don't have a 1 there, so we lose that 8. And if we look down, we must have a 1 or 2 there, and we must have 1 or 2 there, obviously, which means no more 1s in that column, so that has to be 3, which makes that a 1 and a 2, which makes that a 1 and an 8, which makes that 5, 7, 5, 7, 8, 2, 1, 9. That can only be 3, 4. That has to be 6. Got no 4 there, because that would have to be 1, 4. So 2, 8, and get rid of that 8. Well, the 3 was already gone, so we should have known that already. Now these add to 12. We've got no 3, 9, we've got no 4, 8. It has to be 5, 7, which makes that 9, 4, 6. Okay, what else have we got here? Because we've got the 8 there, the only possibility here, 4, 6, 9. So 216 is 9 times 24. 4, 6, 9, 8, 1, 2, 4, 6, 9, 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7. 3, 5 would give you 6. 3, 7 would give you 4. 5, 7 would give you 2. So we can't have 5, 7 there, which means there must be a 3, which means there can't be a 3 there. So we can take that out. And that leaves the possibilities here as 4, 6, 8. All right, just cleaning that up, there's no 4 there. What can we do next? I'm sure there's something we can do because I've done it not that long ago. Here, any 3 minus, we must have a 4 or a 5 or a 6. 4 is already gone. 5 has to be in that 30 times, so that must be a 6. Now if there's a 6 in here, then that can only be 2, 3, 5, and this would have to be 6, 9. 6, 9, 2, 3, 5, 7, 4, 1, 8. So that's 8, 1, 7, 9, 7. And we've got here 3, 4, 5. So what can we put here? 3, 4 would give us 10. We can't do that. 3, 5 would give us 9, and 4, 5 would give us 8. Okay, by the way, we can say that's 2, 3, 4, 6. Got that down to 4 possibilities. Oh, look at that. There's an 8 there, and a 3 there, and a 4 there, and a 3 there. Okay, because of that 4, that cell cannot be 1 and it cannot be 5, because both of those would require a 4 in one of the other cells, which means there must be a 5 in that row already. So if I add everything and take out the 5s, there's the possibilities for those cells, and the 8 must be there. All right, because we couldn't get a 10 in here, that means we can't have 3, 4, which means there must be a 5, which means that can't be 5. So let's take that out. And that means there must be a 5 in one of these two cells. I'm going to take that out as well. 3. I don't think we can do anything more with that 14 at this stage. But what have we got? Because we've got 3, 4 here, it has to be 5, 6, 8 only. So we can take out that 4. Okay, where can we go next? What I'm seeing here, there are no 5s. Sorry, there's 5s in both of the rows there, so there cannot be 5s over here. Which means, because it's a 3 minus, it has to be a 4 or a 6. Now, there also has to be a 4 or a 6 down there. So that tells me we can't have a 6 there. That's got to be 9. 6, and no 2 there. So, as I said, one of these has to be 4 or 6. What does that leave us for these cells? 1, 2, 5, 7. No 5 there. 6, 2, 7. So that 6 didn't work, so we can take out that 1. So it has to be 2, 7. Okay. 8, 2. That narrows things down here. So we can have 1, 5, 9, 3. All right, where do we go next? Let's look at what our possibilities are here. 1, 4. Yeah, that gives some possibilities. We can't have 2, 5. We already said there can't be 5s in those positions. So the only place we can put 2 is there, which makes that 7. Okay, 2, 3, 8, 9, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. No, that's either. Hold on. It has to be 1, 4, 7. There's no 5s. 6 could only go with 3 or 9, which is impossible. So it has to be 1, 4, 7. Has to be a 4 there, so that is a 6. And that must be a 4. 7. That must be 7. That has to be 5. So we can take out that 1, 9 there. So we end up with 5, 3. All right. Bottom row, 2, 3, 4, 1, 6, 5, 7, 8, 9. The only way we can do that is 8, 9, 5, 7. We could have put 7, 9 in those cells, but that would have left us with 5, 8 in the other ones, which doesn't work. So there we get 5, 7, 3, 7. Okay. Let's have a look at, I was trying to avoid looking at these cells. Actually, if we've only got 2, 6 there, this has to be 1, 2, 6, and that has to be 4, 3, 9. Let's see what we've got there. 1, 2, 8. Right. Now, we've already said one of these has to be 8. So we can't have an 8 here because that already makes 16. So we can have 8, 1, that's 9. And we need, it'd have to be 1, 6. Can't be 2, 5 because, as I've said a number of times, we can't have any more 5s in that row. 8, 2, we could have 1, 5 again, or 2, 4. 2, 4 won't work because I've got 2, 4 there, so I can't have 2, 4 in the other two cells beside that. So the only possibility there is 6, 1. Now we can start taking out a few more things. Got a 5 there, 7, 5. That has to be 2, which means that has to be 5, 2, like that. That now has to be 2. I've got a 3 and a 5 and a 2. Got an 8 and a 1 and a 2 and a 4 and a 6. What is that? We need 14. 5, 9 will give us 14. So that's 8, 5, 6, 4, 3. That has to be 9. What have we got left there? 8. What have we got left there? 8. Could have done this in one go. And that's 4, 9, 5, 9, 8. I'm quite happy now just to click on all the cells and see what's left. We've got 1, 6, 7, 9, 4, 1, 3, 1, and 9. We're done. Thanks for watching.